Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is Provisions to Include in Your Writing Contract, Part 5. Time to talk deliverables. How many articles? What format? How often? And how will you send them? Get specific. 2 blog posts a week in docs format via Google Drive. No room for confusion. Then, the revision clause. Crucial. I allow one free revision. After that, extra charges apply. Why? Because endless edits drain time and money. And don't forget to define what client satisfaction means. For me, 100% unique content, not scraped, and plagiarism free. Ready for the most important part? Payment terms. Coming up next, so stay tuned. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.